Hello everyone, you're watching AtYQ and in this video we'll learn how to repair your PC or laptop hotspot in Windows 10. So this is a very common issue in systems with built-in Wi-Fi adapters. These tend to stop or not work at all of a sudden. As you already know that Windows OS has so many bugs and this is one amongst it. Please don't skip the video and without wasting any more time, let's solve this. As you can see, my laptop is connected to Ethernet. There is no Wi-Fi connectivity to this laptop. In Chrome, I can surf web and I search for Google Garage. As you can see, search result appears in the screen. Now I'll enable my laptop hotspot as known as mobile hotspot and try to pair it with mobile phone. Now you can see that when I enter the password, I get stuck on obtaining IP address message. To solve this, you have to go to your PC, go to control panel and click on network and internet. Then click on network and sharing center and then change adapter settings. Find your internet source and hotspot adapters. One way to find your PC hotspot adapter is to disable the hotspot and re-enable it. Now check which amongst of the list of adapters vanished for a moment. Now right click on your internet adapter, in this case Ethernet, click on properties and select sharing. Now choose allow other networks to connect through this PC and choose the respective hotspot adapter name from the list. It is very important to choose the correct adapter. Now click OK. Wait for some time and now right click on your respective hotspot adapter and click on properties. Navigate to IPv4 or Internet Protocol version 4 and note the IP address. Do not change it. Take your mobile or any other device which you want to connect to your mobile's hotspot as known as laptop's hotspot here. Click on the Wi-Fi SSID, enter the password, choose advanced or edit and navigate to the IP settings. Select static and enter the IP you noted from the hotspot adapter option in the control panel. Do as shown in this video. And there you have it, a fully working internet connection shared from your PC hotspot. Please do note that numbers of devices connected shown in laptop hotspot setting will always be 0 for some reason. Other than that, there is no issue. This solution is better fit for Hotspot Shield app where it limits its connection for just 40 minutes in continuous usage. This will be useful in cases like CSGO, local hosted games where you want to play with your friends and you want to enable hotspot. I hope you find this video informative. If any doubt, comment it below and I'll surely answer it. See you in my next video. Bye.